All right, today we are going to make some Flamin Hot Cheeto chicken drumsticks, baked in the oven, so relatively healthier than deep frying. Starting out, I'm taking some Creole seasoning and just putting it over my 3 drumsticks. This is about half a teaspoon, and just making sure it's well coated. Then taking my Flamin Hot Cheetos, pouring out almost a cup of the Flamin Hot Cheetos, taking one to taste, and then putting it all into a Ziploc bag so that I can crush it all into bits. Now you'll notice I only started with 3 chicken drumsticks today, and that's because, you know what, I could probably eat a lot if I wanted to, and this is not the healthiest snack. So now I've got actually about half a cup of fine Flamin' Hot Cheeto dust, and I'm ready to take my chicken that's been sitting in the dry rub for about 20 minutes, putting it back into the bag where I still see some dust, then actually spraying my pan with a little bit of canola oil, and just take my chicken drumstick, put it in some egg wash, that's just 1 whole egg there, and then dip it into my Cheeto dust, and it's quite nice. Repeat for my other 2 chicken drumsticks, coat in egg, put it back into the Cheeto dust, very crunchy still, and then put it onto my baking sheet. My oven is already preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am ready to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Now you want the internal temperature to rise to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. For me, that was actually just 30 minutes. Garnish with some scallion. You can almost taste the crunch. Isn't that just the most satisfying sound? Hope you guys give this a try. Don't do it too often. Enjoy.